Hi, have you ever wanted to customize your own cup noodle? Join us as we head on over to the Cup Noodle Museum in Yokohama to get inspired and creative. Our journey began as we tried to rush over to the museum before they closed. We stayed too long at the Gundam factory because Pat wanted to watch all the shows. However, the silver lining was we got to take in this beautiful coastal scenery as we walked over. We were worried we wouldn't be able to do the cup noodle making experience, but thankfully we managed to get the tickets for the last time slot and were told we could explore the exhibits after we finished. After you pay for your cup and prep, we waited in line to be seated at a table where we would design our cups. At the beginning, it was a struggle for us, not knowing what to design, almost like an artist staring at a blank canvas. I decided to take inspiration from our trip and drew things that were memorable to me.
Still nothing yet in the back. Look at Japan here. Hey, you copied me! You copied me! Oh my gosh! Why?
We finally finished our cup designs and we were so proud of our masterpiece. What do you think of it, and let us know in the comments below whose design you like more and what design would you draw on your cup. Before we went to line up at our next station, we decided to look at the options on our table so that we were more prepared. You get to pick one of the 4 soup bases and 4 out of the 12 available toppings. Unfortunately, we didn't film what Pat decided on, but he went with the cup noodle broth, and the toppings he ended up choosing were garlic chips, mystery meat, cheese, and the pork bits. Stay tuned for later in the video when we taste test our cup noodles. I was reading the instructions at the final station and remembered that we needed to pop our air cushions before going onto the plane so that it doesn't crush your cup. For some reason, Pat read the instructions completely wrong and thought we needed the cushions to protect our noodles on the plane. Not only that, he didn't even pump his cup properly. Look at that, it was so close to the edge and about to fall out. Because we arrived late, we were a little bummed that we couldn't dine at the Noodle Bazaar or experience Momofuku Theater and the Chicken Ramen Factory. We were happy that we still got to explore the other exhibits of the museum. We started with the Instant Noodle History Cube, which shows the timeline of the noodles created dating back to 1958. This was later on in the tour, and we got to see a recreation of Momofuku Ando's shed, where the first chicken ramen was invented. When we got our tickets, they provided us with the information on their guided audio app. We didn't think we would need it. We found that a lot of the text was in Japanese, so we regret not getting it. However, there was some English text, and Pat found it inspiring that the theme of the museum was to never give up on your dreams. We didn't get to film the souvenir shop because we were worried the staff would be upset with us for being last-minute shoppers, so we quickly checked it out. I picked up 2 little items that I thought were cute and kept a paper bag for the message on it. Look at the details of this cup noodle eraser. You could even open it and pour out the little noodle eraser. Although the tour was very quick, we learned something from it and we're happy with our custom cup noodles. If we could do it all over again, we would want to try the Osaka location. Put more water in. Mine's so cute. We're so excited to eat this.
I don't even remember what I got in mine.
We made this back in October and right now it's March. It's like the end of March. And
I think I got like secret meat or something and
I don't
cheese.
remember what I got.
So I got cheese.
Corn, got meat, and this little chick. Whoops. Okay, I hope it still tastes good. Because you're actually supposed to eat this within the first month after making it, and it's been a few months after it. I'm sure it's just instant noodle. I'm sure it's still fine, right?
Yeah, I think so. The cheese is a nice little touch. I don't know what this.
I didn't even realize you had cheese actually. Look at this. I'm so excited. Oops. Just making a mess here. Let me try the soup.
It's pretty good. I want to try this. Oh, I have like a piece of garlic.
That's good. Oh, I think we got a lot of garlic too, eh?
What is this? Mystery meat? Ooh.
It's not bad for like 500 yen cup noodle making experience.
This little meat is good.
We may or may not keep the cup after this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tasty adventures with us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.